Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will attempt to find the highest common factor of the following two numbers. There are many methods to use, but since we are given two numbers like this, I will actually move to just use the successive division method. And it is at this point a good habit to list down some of the first few prime numbers. That we know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and so on and so forth. So I divide by 2 and left with 31 and 124. Oh, 31. Can 124 divide by 31? Yes, it can. And therefore, we stop here because there's no more common prime factors anymore. HCF will be equals to 2 times 60, 31, 62. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.